Hi Brenda, I'm going to show you how to put the 3321 back together. So first of all, you're going to want to put the rubber casing back on, line it up with the screw holes. That should solder nice and easy. Now you've got the magnetic sensor, you need to put this back in. This can be quite fiddly, so take your time. It should just slot in. Once you've got that, plug the main cord in. It's the same thing as before, it's like the same as you took it out. Plug that, wait for the click. You're going to want to line it up with the rubber casing and make sure that sensor's holding it for the automatic locking feature. Now this can be quite tricky, so you have to really look inside to make sure it lines up. Now when you got it remotely close, you kind of push it down further. It is quite painful, so you might want to take your time with this. Helps if it's straight, doesn't it? I'll fast forward, this is fine. I'll have to edit it. Alright, now when that's connected, now I'm going to try and put these screws back in. So you have to put pressure on the lock just so it sticks together. And that's your 4 Phillips heads. And then the 2 behind the battery covers. Helps if you don't drop them, wouldn't recommend it. Last one. And we'll correct my mistake of putting this here and out a little bit. And once those are all in, now you can put your batteries back in. And battery back on, and you're all good.